milsimjunkie.com, baby. Rambo,
why don't you stand right here in front of my camera so I can get your guns?
Here, let me get out of the way. I'm not worthy to be near guns of that size. I'm scared.
Golden ticket winner, what's up, dude?
What's up, guys?
So you've been here for a couple days?
Couple days. Got here. Actually got here yesterday.
You drove in 10 hours, you said?
10 hours. Came
play
from
here?
the east side, Indianapolis, Indiana.
To play at American Milsim Broken Home?
And to play with milsimjunkie.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
You know what? I'm late. He's been here way longer than I have, and this dude's super humble. So I mean, for you guys that are just, this is your first Milsim game?
First major Milsim. Absolutely.
So this is the day before, FYI. So we'll see him throughout this progress.
See what I come in.
Yeah, I see. So we'll get his after action report, his AAR, and then see how he digs it. So
awesome.
Hopefully it'll be worth the drive, and you know, I'm gonna make sure it's worth the drive.
Absolutely.
All right, dude. We'll see you.
See you at milsimjunkie.com, baby.
About what, 20,000 a year?
Yeah.
I was one of your
30.
first 100 followers.
Yeah.
I was
I
like
appreciate that, dude.
Yeah, right on, man.
Make it rain. What's up, dude? Say what's up to the camera.
What's up?
Alright guys, so here's a little pro tip. If you're at a hotel room nearby your op and your clothes, your combat shirt namely, is smelly, is to kind of steam them. And a quick steam is going to be a shower. No one's in this actual shower right now. But what's happening is, I got the shower running, got a little bit of the soap that comes with the broom, right there. And I'm just hanging my combat shirt. And what that's doing is kind of steaming. That's really steaming in here. Steaming my gear. And yeah, trying to get out the smell. That's if you don't have any Febreze. Smells pretty good. So. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this part 2.2. This is the air support footage from the day, and I want to emphasize the day part because coming up there's going to be another video where we do another helo run, but that's all I'm going to give you right now. But yeah, this was cool watching Caleb, who was my golden ticket winner, and Greg, another airsoft friend of mine, go in the air and shoot on Cost players down below. By that time, most of Cost and UFS had been moved to about the airfield. Actually, most of UFS had control of the field. Cost was slowly regaining footage back onto the field. As you will see in part 2.3, the remainder of the day, you will see what happens. So definitely stay tuned. I'm going to be pumping out this other video here very shortly. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to stay awesome, stay frosty, play hard, fight hard, guys.